You don't need another list of health tips or health hacks. You need the truth about what you're reading. Every week, a new headline promises life changing health benefits. Every month, a new stack of must read books claims to hold the answer to your wellness journey. And yet, confusion keeps growing because information is not the same as understanding. Maybe you've sat in a medical office trying to explain what you're feeling, only to leave feeling unheard. Maybe you've started advocating for yourself because you realized no one else would. Maybe you've even experienced medical gaslighting, that subtle erosion of confidence that makes you question your own body. That's when books become more than books, they become tools. But even the best wellness books are not instruction manuals. They are arguments, perspectives, interpretations of data. Health Books Explained exists to examine them carefully. What are the actual health benefits being claimed? What is supported? What is overstated? What is quietly assumed? Here, health books are broken down with clarity and restraint. I use AI-assisted summaries to organize the information, but every video is shaped with human judgment, context, and accountability. No miracle framing, no dramatic promises, no pressure to adopt anything blindly, just structured insight so you can think clearly, ask better questions, and take charge of your health responsibly. Because taking charge of your health doesn't start with action, it starts with understanding. If you're overwhelmed by noise, if you're navigating your own wellness journey, if you believe in advocating for yourself with confidence and clarity, you're in the right place.